Hey guys, it's Jax. I'm out in the forest today all by myself. I have no kids for the day and I'm totally enjoying myself. I'm walking around out here, one of my favorite parks over by the river. I'm going to make some lunch later, but I wanted to do a little plant ID, tree ID, bird ID. I'm having fun. Found some fiddleheads. I'm not going to eat them though because I don't know nearly enough about fiddleheads or wild edibles to eat these guys, but if you know if these are edible or not, I'd love to know. Sorry, my camera's not very good at focusing. There we go. That's disappointing. Somebody spilled something there. Gross. Whole pile of garbage over here. This is my favorite spot from the winter where the big ice chunk was. The slobs come out here to fish and just leave their garbage behind. It pisses me off. I'm going to pack this all up and take it home, but man, oh man. Beautiful spot beside the creek. One of my favorite spots to hang out. And look at this. Garbage. 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 If you're going to come out here to fish, if you're going to come here to enjoy the creek, don't turn it into a garbage dump. That's disgusting. I'm going to pack it all up and take it out with me, but gosh, come on, people. Guys, I'm just scouring the woods in here, picking up some birch bark for the fire kits, checking out the old birch trees to see if there's any chaga on them. Beautiful river birch tree right here. I'm going to grab some of the bark off of. So down here. Oh, look at that! It is my lucky day. I got no kids on a Monday and a double shot of energy and coffee. Vanilla flavor. Score one for Mama! Cheers, wherever you are, whatever you're doing today, I hope it's an awesome day.